Hello and welcome to Wyckoff Training Academy. This is a video wherein I would be discussing about the new introduction of uh, once again, let me set up my screen. Okay. My invitation tool is also there. So in this video, I'm going to discuss about, this is a very short video wherein I would be discussing about the launch of my unique fish trade version 213. Uh, so, and after that, you can expect the training continuation videos on price and volume oscillator of Y208. There would be 2 consecutive sessions coming back, uh, coming one after another. So to begin with, we are observing a 5-minute chart on Euro USD. So I'm just hiding clearer to everyone and just focus on this tool. So what this tool does is what this indicator is based on. It is based on market movement, and it is based on how I identify trend, which is my unique way, and how I identify sideways market. That is when there is sideways movement and when there is a trending movement either downwards or either upwards. So this can be applied on any time frame which you want, which you like. So it comes along with certain settings, certain default setting, intraday swing, short term and long. So you can apply it. So most of the cases like 5 to 15, 10 or 30 minutes. So the setting is intraday setting. So what this indicator has to offer is it is simple and it is very unique in nature, that whenever the trend is trending, whenever the price is going to go upwards or downwards, what we look out for. Like for example, we start with sideways. This price movement was sideways, then price went downwards, then price came up to the range, within the range, and then started moving up and down, back and forth, back and forth. And then here it was a price level wherein we can see that price has broken out of this particular range. So this works basically on the range phenomenon, wherein if the range uh, uh, is either ways breaking upwards or downwards, so it gives us a fair idea wherein whether we are in a trending situation or not. Because if we monitor the market, or if we view the market in this way, we are not able to see, or we are not able to like a novice trader who's not well versed with how we have to analyze the market. We cannot say this is a sideways movement entire together. So every time we would be buying, selling in between. So this tool of mine would help you in assessing whether what is about to follow based on history is a sideways movement or a trending movement. So this is how you have to, first thing, it helps in identifying which side the market has, or is which side the market is heading. So now, for example, here it was sideways, then it came down, and this was selling, and it gives the like you see green and red color lines. Whenever the price is trending upwards, it would automatically turn its color into green. When the price is going downwards, it will automatically change the color into red. So it is as simple as that. So after that, when we are done with the sideways market, then we are how we can assess the market is trending or not. Simple and straightforward. Once a level is formed and price is going down, price has a tendency to test the previous levels. So first thing, it will test the previous recent level which was built. It will come back, it will test it. And if it fails, then it will vow to go downwards. And that is how it is doing here. So here it has broken down, came back up to this level, which is this particular level. This is the recent level. And then here is a place to position your short with a stop above this particular level or here. Because this all my indicators and all my tools which I develop are developed in such a way that I minimize my risk, let the market take care of my profits. So this would give you a big trading opportunity. Uh, and big, profit opportunities. So once this was market went downwards, as you can see, it again market made an upward move. So what I'm expecting, either I'm expecting price to sustain when this particular line has been formed, or either it will if it is going to go trend upwards, it should hold this one, and it held, and then price came back up to this particular level, and it should break this level. So we are trading in between these two levels, and once this level is formed, so now we have this level, higher side, this level, and if price has to go upward, it should hold this level. And it has, like, we had upward movement, then it came back again, another buying opportunity, but it haven't broken this up level, which was recent level. And after that, we had another level, which was formed over here. So now we have this one and this one to uh, keep into track the market based on these two levels. So that if this level, now once it has sustained this level, now we are expecting price to sustain this level and go upwards. So for that, first it has to break this level. But price is struggling. This is the liquidity area, high liquidity area. Price is struggling over here, and it did not. And then we had a breakdown. And then once we have a breakdown, now we know this is the price band wherein price is not going to go, is failing to go upward. There is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, even with 5 and 6 pushes, like till this particular point we have 5 pushes, but price has haven't broken this level and haven't sustained above this particular line. So what I am going to do, or what I'm going to see, is whether if it is not going upward, then it should come down. So if once it has broken down after this particular price level, once the price is broken down, now I look for this particular level as my future target, and this is similar to this one. So either you consider this one or that one, and this one as my target. So once I short sell at this particular point, because why I'm initiating a short sell position at this particular point on the first pullback, because I know this is the level wherein we have failed and my market is going to go downwards. So if that is the case, if it is going downwards, so if I'm opening, this is an aggressive trade over here, but I would rather love to take an initial sell trade at this particular level, because we are selling. This is indicating selling to me, and price is going downwards. And if it touches this level and it turns back, I will initiate a sell trade over here. So now in many videos, I say if it turns back. So how would my student would uh, see whether the market is going to turn down or not? For that, I have 155 version, wherein version 155 gives absolute demand and supply candles. So I initiate trade based on my supply candle, and I got an upside at this particular level as well. So now this is this is my first target, and it is already achieved. So now if price is going to go downwards, it should break this level, and it should touch this and go downwards, and so on. This will keep on updating like this. So if that is not the case, then this is the area where price would bounce back, and it did. So everything, like, I'll not get into more detail about this one. Once the people who are opting for it, we get a detailed video of explanation, and there will be Q&A also for this people, for the people who are opting for this one. So this is one of the excellent tool which I have developed based on range trading. Like, for example, every range you see, I'm corresponding to this range and I'm corresponding to this range. And in that correlation, I'm assessing whether this range is also corresponding in that manner. And in the same way, you can see we have, like, if I draw a line from this particular point, like from this particular, one second, just hold on for a minute. Okay, so you can see we are moving back and forth at this particular point, and now here, once these two levels, once they are formed at this particular point, I was sure this price action is something which is either would be a stall position or trend change would happen from this particular point. So this is how this would work, and if it works on any market, And this was especially used traders, but it works on any financial market. Like for example, I posted the chart in the various groups stating that this is a sideways market, and you can see price is moving back and forth. And now it is not. This is the level. If it above if this gold has a potential to go upwards, then it has to first sustain above this level. If it is not, then it will come down and then it will sink in. So let's see what happens in future with this one. And same thing, as we are approaching upwards, we are testing all the previous levels, and then we are getting multiple trading opportunities for adding into in our position. So there is more to this indicator. The people who will buy this thing, they will get the detailed videos on this thing, on how to use this thing, and there would be a Q&A on this one. So this was a short video, and in the evening or like by midnight, I would be uploading 2 training videos on version 208. So stay tuned, and those who have uh, any questions and doubt, they can just write in the comment box, or either they can DM me in my, or you can interact with me on different forums which wherein I'm having my groups. Thanks for watching this video.